Sorting data in Excel manually takes time, especially when you have large datasets. But what if Excel could sort everything automatically with just one formula? In this video, I'll show you how to use the sort function in Microsoft Excel to organize your data quickly and efficiently. Here I have a dataset of 20 employees. We have names, department, salary, and experience. Right now, the data is not sorted in any order. That's why I have labeled it as raw employee data. Let's start with the basic sort function. So here in this cell, I will write equal sort, and I need to provide the array. So I'll go to this first cell of the data. I'll press and hold the Control Shift key and then the right arrow and then the down arrow to select all the data. After this, I'll close the parentheses and hit enter. Now you can see Excel has sorted the entire dataset based on the first column, which is name, in ascending order. Now let's sort the data in descending order. For this purpose, I'll go to this formula bar and after array I'll put comma, and next I need to give the column number. So because I want to sort it on the basis of the name, so I'll write 1, again comma, and for descending here I'll write -1 and hit enter. Now the names are sorted from Z to A. Now instead of names, let's sort by salary. For this purpose, I need to amend this formula. So after the array, I will write 3 because salary is present in third column, and just hit enter. Now you can see that the employee with the top salary is on the top, that is 80,000, and it is descending to the lowest salary of 45,000. Let's try one more example. This time we will sort by experience. So for this purpose, again I need to go to the formula bar, and this time instead of 3 I will write 4 because the experience is present at fourth column, and hit enter. So here you can see we have sorted the employees experience wise. The most experienced employee is on the top and the least experienced employee is at the bottom. We can also reverse this order by changing this -1 to 1. The best part about the sort function is that it is dynamic. If you change any value in the original dataset, the sorted result updates automatically. You don't need to sort again and again. One important thing is that this function is available in Excel 365 and Excel 2021. If you are using an older version, it may not work for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. See you next time.